welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very laid back video. I just washed my hair, so I decided, well, because I washed my hair, why not do two of my favorite things: drink wine and put on a hair mask and try it out for all of you guys, and just be chill and laid back because we're all at home having a few drinks of our choice, so why not have some fun and be laid back and just have a nice chilled time together. I'm drinking out of my Hocus Pocus glass because it's one of the only glasses that didn't break on me. For some reason, a lot of my wine glasses just completely broke and shattered. This one survived, along with another one, but I can't find it. So this is the last man standing, so you know what? I'm drinking out of my Hocus Pocus glass, so whatever. And then now we're going to get into the mask. I have this one sitting around for quite a while. It's the Unwined mask from my favorite brand, like Hask. I was looking at it a little bit ago and I was like, Hask, that's my favorite brand. I've done a few videos on their products and so far they're amazing. This time it's a wine inspired fun hair mask, and what better time to have wine with wine, so let's get into it. There's a lot of good ingredients though. There's wine extract, and there's resveratrol, and then grapeseed oil, cherry extract, and black currant extract. So there's a lot of great antioxidants to boost your hair and make it super rich and moisturized and nourished. A lot of great ingredients. I didn't know wine extract actually was an antioxidant and rejuvenated and strengthened and softened your hair. Like, you would not expect that from wine. Maybe I should just pour the wine in my hair and we'll just be done with this video, but we're not doing this. I want to drink this. It's a non-tipsy formula. They're full of jokes. Hask has jokes. So I need to take my hair out of this towel. It's been drying for like a little while. I shampooed and scrubbed my hair, so should be fine. I look like Medusa's ugly cousin. I know, but like, I'm not about to just go out and blow dry, style my hair just to mess it up again. So this is what you get. This is what you get, but I love you guys, so I'm here to spill the tea, the wine, on the hair mask. I'm about to give you the 411 on the hair mask, so I'm hoping that it smells great and it doesn't smell like wine. I hope it actually has a better smell than wine. You don't want to smell like a booze hound when you're not being a booze hound. I'm just saying. So I opened the mask and there's a lot in here. There's a lot of product, like enough for like 2 heads, I think. So there's a lot of product. I like to squeeze the product downward because that's how you get the most product, and you know, it's just like a lot easier. See, there's like so much. Look at that creaminess. Like, there's so much. I don't even know where to put the rest of the mask at. Like, what do I do? I'm gonna put it up right there. Stay, little root, stay strong. It smells like fake candy. It smells like those. I smelled this smell before. It smells like fake candy. It doesn't smell like wine too much. It has a little hint of a wine scent, but it's like so small. Mainly it smells like fake candy, like those sugar tart candies. What an odd combo. Sugar tarts and wine. Hey, I guess if you're drunk enough, you'll try anything, right? That's what they were inspired by, I guess. My god, deep conditioning. There's so much. I mean, I'm happy that they give like a lot of product, but like, that's a second handful. This mask better change my life for my hair, I swear. Because if it doesn't, I'm going to be like, why did I put all this mask in my hair? I'm already like, why did I do this? But like, whatever. I need more wine. Grab it gently. I need more wine. This mask made me look bald. Using all the product up. as much as I can because I don't like wasting product. I'm massaging into my scalp too because you really want a healthy scalp. I'm having this in place of my normal conditioner because I didn't want to over moisturize my hair, because you can do that and then you get like acne in your scalp and boils sometimes, and that's just nasty. You don't want that. So you have to either sacrifice your conditioner or use a hair mask. There ain't no in between. So pick and choose which one you want and which one will be best for your scalp that particular time that you're washing your hair. Right now, I think I need a mask because my hair is just kind of nasty in my opinion. Like, I don't even know what happened, but like my hair got like nasty and dirty. So I'm all about that life of moisturization and conditioning. I'm going to pin up my hair actually while this mask processes, and I won't have nastiness all over my neck. So I'm taking a hair clip right here, just a basic hair clip, and putting it in my hair securely and making sure that's nice and tight and even how I like it. And my hair is pulled back, and I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes and this will be done. So it's a very quick, simple, easy mask. I washed the mask out of my hair and it was very easy to clean. My hair felt like silk, like porcelain hair silkness. It was just so silky and smooth and kind of refreshing, but my hair still kind of feels weighed down, if that makes any sense. Like, it feels very clean and smooth, but it kind of feels like there's a weight to it. There's a thickness and heaviness to my hair, which is why I haven't really experienced with like a lot of other hair masks. So I'm going to let my hair dry down, probably have some dinner. I'm going to have some sloppy joe because that's all I need in my life, and then I'm going to come back. I took my hair out of the towel and it does feel kind of like weighed down. There's like this, I don't know, greasiness to the mask. It's not the best mask that I've ever used. Well, I styled my hair and this is the result. This mask ain't cutting the buttermilk. I'm just saying. Not a very good mask, and it's kind of like junk. If you see something that says deep conditioner, run for the hills, run for your life. Just run, because usually it's not going to do very much for your hair. It might add some like conditioning, but I think it over conditions your hair, in my opinion. Like, it just leaves it weighted down and just nasty. I don't know, afterwards. Like, my hair doesn't feel nasty, but like, it feels pretty good and nourished. It feels super soft, but like, I don't know. This wasn't hitting right. I'm just saying. I don't really recommend that you go out and purchase this one because it's okay for like a novelty sort of mask, but like not for your actual hair care needs. It's not going to cut it. Repair and strengthen my ass. More like leaves your hair oily and weird. I expected more from this mask than it actually delivered, and kind of disappointed that I spent my money on this, but it was a fun little novelty mask to do with all of you, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. So if you did like the video, please leave a like on the video. Also, subscribe while you're here. Why not? It's free. By pressing that notification bell, you'll be notified when I post a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So be on the lookout for those uploads. As well, follow me on all my social media. That'll tell you when the newest uploads are posted. Check out all my affiliate links and coupon codes down below in case you're interested in some great products for a great price. As well, check out my Avon shop. It's listed down below. I'll be happy to be your representative today and help you get the essential products that you need. Fast, easy, simple, and hassle-free. You will not be disappointed at all. You can find pretty much all your essential needs without leaving your home. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.
Last of the real ones.